Today, we're talking about the Lenovo Smart Display 7. So what is the Smart Display?
The Smart Display is the voice-controlled hub for your smart home. Powered by Google Assistant, the Smart Display controls all of your smart home accessories like your smart light bulbs, smart plugs, and even smart cameras. It also doubles as an entertainment and update hub, giving you daily news updates and the ability to watch YouTube videos all by voice. Okay Google, show me how to bake croissants on YouTube.
Okay, here are some videos.
Setting up the Smart Display couldn't be easier.
Simply download and open the Google Home app, create your home network, and add the Smart Display by following the prompts on your phone. It will automatically update for you so it's ready to be used.
Now let's take a look at the Lenovo 360 P1 camera.
The 360 P1 camera is your perfect companion for in-home security. With full HD resolution, night vision, and motion detection with tracking, it's perfect for being able to see different rooms in your home from the Smart Display. Okay Google, show me the living room. Using the Lenovo Link Pro App, we can take things to the next level to gain even more control over the 360 P1 camera, like using the built-in microphone and speaker to talk to whoever is on the other side.
Just leave the package at the door, thanks.
Setting up the 360 P1 camera with your Smart Display 7 is a breeze.
Simply download the Lenovo Link Pro app to set up the 360 camera first. Once it's configured, open the Google Home app to add it to your device list so you can use it with your Smart Display 7. The Lenovo Smart Display 7 and 360 P1 camera are now available at JB Hi-Fi.